Hi guys, this is the soda machine, and I'm gonna teach you how to make it. Well, I'm just gonna show you how to do it, how it works. I mean. So, soda machine in, so you know soda coming out. Push the money in, and it comes out. So now I'm gonna teach you how to make it. It's pretty simple, so I'm gonna just teach you how to make it. So first, you square like this and get a 4x4 smooth, and then get this, stick it there, and then we get like a 1x2 and put it there, and then you get like flat things, flats like these but flat, and then stick them together. And stick them here, and the other one here, and another one here. So we start it off like a chair. Now we need like a fat piece, then we need like a 1x2 smooth, and a weird triangle thing, and then the weird triangle thing goes in here, and the smooth 1x2 smooth here, and then stick it there. Now we first, what are you doing? Now we first get a 1x1, stick it there, then do a layer of bricks, and one layer there, then a layer there, and then put it there, then this one there, and the other one there. See, we have a hole. And now, well, a key is going through here, so I'm going to teach you that in a minute. And now we get a 4x1 smooth, and two 1x2s, and one 1x4, and stick the two 2x2s on here on the 1x4, and put the 1x4 smooth on here, and then put all of it there. And now for the final part, get these two, place it there and there, and then you get these two, place it there and there, and then now we place this there and place this there. Now, I'm going to teach you how to make the soda. Dead easy. Get a stud. And something like this, and place it on there. And you put it in there, soda in, see, balances. Place it in, and then the money, just a smooth piece.
You're putting the lid back on.
And place it in, and it pushes it. Well, you just need to get it in balance. Don't get it facing like that. Face it like that. Just look. Just see if it's facing properly. Then it pushes it. How about just first put this on. It bounces, stays like that. Then push this in. And then it comes out. So, now...
Is that not working because the lid's not on?
Don't need to ask you... Oh, now. Now, leave these here. Now I'm going to teach you how to make the key. It's pretty simple. Just... So, first you get a Lego thing like this, but just with a lot of bricks, and then place this like the thing what I said. Place it there. Then get this. You can just place it anywhere. You can get that. You can get that first, and then you can then stick like a 2x2, smooth, and then a 1x1, smooth over here. Then a 4x4, smooth, down there. And then we've got the key, so I'll show you how it works. Put the soda in, stays like that. And then when you put the key in, people think it's just gonna like stop it and then it's run out of batteries. It's actually blocking the hole down there. And when you push the money in, like that, it actually just lands on the key. Take the key out, and it opens. And that's how you make a soda machine. Done.
Bye.